okay.
I come from Rome, Italy.
Did you fly here?
I fly with my wings. Here we go.
Judges
Okay,
away.
good luck.
Off you go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Fly to the stage.
Oh, thank you. Hi. Hi.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Papasidero.
Where are you from, Papacidio?
I come from Rome, Italy.
You're an angel.
Sometimes people think I'm an angel. Someone asked me if I was a bird.
You're
but
not a seagull, are you? No, because we have a seagull problem in the UK right now.
No, I'm not a seagull. Don't worry.
And did you not enter the Italian X Factor?
Yeah, 3 years ago. But it was hard for me to be myself.
Got it. Well, look, here anything goes, as
Yeah.
you've probably realised.
Yeah.
So, good luck.
Good luck. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you want to make sure to catch all the latest X Factor videos, don't forget to subscribe.